Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are words that describe the position or location of something. They are used to indicate where an object is in relation to another object or place. Here are some of the most common prepositions of place with meanings and examples. On. Meaning: touching a surface or being supported by a surface. Example: a cat sits on the chair. In. Meaning: into a container, place, etc. Example: you'll find the cat in the basket. Near. Meaning: not far away in distance. Example: the cat is near the chair. Under. Meaning: lower than or covered by something else. Example: there is a cat under the desk. Behind. Meaning: at the back part of something. Example: this cat still stands behind the pot. In front. Meaning: further forward than someone or something else. Example: this cat is in front of the chair. Between. Meaning: something in the middle of two objects or things or places. Example: there is a cat between a ball of wool and a box. Above. Meaning: higher than something else but not directly over it. Example: there is a cat above the box. Below. Meaning: lower than something else. Example: the dog lies below the cat. At. Meaning: used to say exactly where something or someone is. Example: I saw a cat at the window. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.